Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to write copy that sells? Do you want people to understand your message quickly? Do you want more clicks, more views, and more sales? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today, I will explain why simple English sentences are very powerful in copywriting and how you can use them to get better results. Let's start. What is simple English? First, let's understand what simple English means. Simple English means using easy words. It means writing short sentences. It means clear ideas. Simple English is easy to read. It is easy to understand. Anyone can understand it. Even a 10-year-old child can understand simple English. That is the goal, because your audience is not always highly educated. Many people read quickly. They don't want to think too much. They want easy content. Why simple English is important in copywriting? Copywriting is about selling with words. You want people to take action. You want them to click. You want them to buy. If your writing is difficult, people will leave. They will not read. They will not understand. And they will not buy. Simple English helps people understand fast. When people understand fast, they trust you more. When they trust you, they buy from you. People do not like difficult words. Many beginners think big words are better. They try to sound smart. They use complex vocabulary. But this is a mistake. People do not like difficult words. They feel confused. They feel tired. They leave your page. Simple words feel friendly. Simple words feel natural. Simple words feel human. That is why simple English works better. Simple English sentences increase readability. Readability is very important. It means how easy your content is to read. Short sentences are easier to read. Long sentences are confusing. For example, here is a long sentence. This product provides a comprehensive solution for individuals seeking enhanced productivity. So another one, this is a simple sentence. This product helps you work better. Which one is easier? Of course, the simple one. Always choose clarity over complexity. Simple English works for global audience. The internet is global. People from different countries read your content. Not everyone speaks perfect English. Simple English helps everyone understand. It removes language barriers. It increases your reach. It brings more audience. It brings more customers. So if you want global success, use simple English. Simple copy gets more conversions. Conversion means action, like clicking a button, buying a product, signing up a service. Simple copy increases conversions because people understand quickly. They know what to do. They feel confident. Confused people do not work better. Clear people take action. That is the power of simple writing. Simple English builds trust. Trust is very important in marketing. People buy from those they trust. Simple language feels honest, it feels real, it feels direct. Complex language feels fake sometimes. It feels like you are hiding something. Simple English shows confidence, it shows honesty, and honesty builds trust. Simple writing saves time. People are busy, they don't have time to read long texts. They scan content, they read quickly. If your message is simple, they understand fast. If your message is complex, they skip it. Simple writing respects the reader's time, and when you respect your reader, they respect you. How to write simple English sentences. Now let's learn how to write simple sentences. Here are some easy tips. Use short sentences. Use common words. Avoid difficult vocabulary. Use active voice. Write like you speak. Break long sentences into small ones. Use simple examples. Ask questions. Make it conversational. For example, instead of saying utilize this opportunity to maximize your potential, say use this chance to do your best. Simple is always better. Use simple words that sell. Some simple words are very powerful. These words connect with emotions. For example, you, free, easy, new, now, save, best, past, fluent. These words are simple, but they are very effective. Use them in your copy. They help you sell more. Here are some real life examples. Let's look at a real example. For example, here is a complex copy. Our innovation solution facilitates some optimal performance enhancement. So another one, this is a simple copy. Our tool helps you perform better. Which one is sound better? Which one is easy to understand? The simple one wins every time. That is why top marketers use simple language. Simple English in different platforms. Simple English works everywhere. On YouTube scripts, on Facebook ads, on websites, on emails, on Amazon product descriptions, on blogs, everywhere. No matter the platform, simple always wins. Mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes. Don't use long paragraphs. Don't use difficult words. Don't try to impress. Don't copy complex writers. Don't write for yourself. Write for your audience. Always think, will a beginner understand this? If yes, you are doing it right. Practice makes you better. Writing simple English is a skill. You need practice. Write daily. Read simple content. Learn from successful copywriters. Rewrite complex sentences into simple ones. Keep improving. With time, you will get better. So, now you understand the power of simple English. Simple sentences are easy to read. They are easy to understand. They build trust. They increase conversions. They help you reach more people. Remember this. Clear writing wins. Simple words sells. If you want success in copywriting, keep it simple. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel for more content like this one, and comment below, do you prefer simple writing or complex writing? I would love to know your answer. See you in the next video.